Hi everyone, and welcome back to Art and Eswatini. Today we're going to be showing you how to draw a face in proportions. All faces have more or less the same proportions, so if you know the rules for drawing a face, then you should be able to get it right every time. For this exercise, you want to make sure that you have a piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, and a mirror to draw yourself, or get someone else to sit there in front of you.
Welcome everybody. So today we're going to be drawing the face, and the face is quite easy to draw if you know how the proportions work. So the first obvious part is that we have an axis of symmetry going down the middle of our face. So we're going to do the same with a ruler and draw a line vertically down the middle of our paper. So there are many different shapes of faces. I've got a very long oval face, whereas other people have got more rounded faces. And yet within each shape of the face, the same proportions pertain to every face. You're going to draw the shape of the person's face, or if you're looking in the mirror, the shape of your face from the top of your forehead around down to your chin on the one side, and then the other side is going to be pretty much symmetrical. Shall we give that a try? If you're drawing the neck, look at how the neck sits. It's not narrow, it's nearly from the ear, and it's slightly smaller than the widest part of the face, but only slightly. Okay, so your face is divided up into three sections. The first section is from the top of your forehead to the top of your eyebrows. Keep your finger in the same position. The next third is from the top of your eyebrow to just below your nose. And the third is from below your nose to the bottom of your chin. So even if I've got a longer, elongated face, or whether you've got a rounder face, the proportions are still the same. So you can actually do it quite mathematically. Take the axis of symmetry that you've drawn and measure out how long your face is from the top of your forehead to your chin. I've got 24 centimeters. So if I divide that into thirds, then I'll go to 8 centimeter, 16 centimeter, down to 24.
Okay.
Go for it. So once you've divided your face up into the three segments, so if we look at our eyebrows, remember they were just below the first third. So let's put those ones in first, shall we? So when we progress to the eye, there's also a really important tip that I can give you, and that is that if you look at the width of the eye like this, there's actually one eye that fits in between the two eyes, and then you'll have the next eye. So the width of the distance between the two eyes is the distance of one width of the eye. You can start putting in, also just again tentatively, you can put in where the different parts of the face go. So now I've got the general proportions and the general outlines, and now I'll start focusing on the details once I'm sure I've got everything in position.
So those are your top tips for drawing a face in proportion. I hope you enjoyed it and keep on practicing. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.